Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable JavaScript on Google Chrome. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to open up Google Chrome, and then we need to go ahead and click on the three dots in the far right hand corner of the screen. Then from there, click into settings. Now we should be inside of Google Chrome settings from here. Now on the left hand side, we want to click on the privacy and security tab. Now come to the middle of the page, and then we need to find site settings. So click on the site settings. Now scroll down on this page and look for under content JavaScript. Now we want to go ahead and click into that. Now where it says default behavior, we want to go ahead and click on sites automatically follow these settings when you visit them. So sites can use JavaScript, so we need to make sure that is enabled. We've also got the option to customize behaviors. So we got sites listed below follow custom settings instead of default. So we can add in not allowed to use JavaScript. You can add sites there, and you can also add allowed to use JavaScripts. So you can add sites into that too.